Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Now, have you ever wondered how to create videos from your phone everywhere? We're going to utilize AI for this one. Now, upon my research, digging about the best ways to create videos anywhere on your iPhone or your mobile devices, I've come up with this application. We're going to call it NVIDIA AI, this one right here. Now, how to use this one is a pretty user-friendly, that's why I choose this one among the rest. Now, how to get this? So just basically sign in using your dummy Google account. I've installed this one on Play Store or App Store if you're using your Android devices, and here is it. Here's how it looks like. So right off the bat, you're gonna see a lot of things going on here. On the upper right section, there is an upgrade option. So if you click on the upgrade right there, it's going to go show me a pricing. Anyway, I'm using a free trial just to test the waters and show you how it works. So in here, it has the history, basically the things you have created before, exports right there, library right here for the things you have created also before, and your account. Basically, that's it. It's pretty user friendly as I've mentioned earlier. So let's create an AI video. In here, you're gonna have a choices. You want to use the version 1, 2, or 3. And of course, we're gonna utilize AI version 3. In here, it's just gonna ask for a topic. In here, you're gonna select if you want to create a short video, explainer video, or animated film. It has a different flows on this one. You have a faceless short video, script video, and the works. I'm just gonna make sure I use a simple one. So in here, I'm gonna give it a topic. So my topic right here is a simple dog, or basically a dog walking in the park. So it can be as simple as that. And now I'm gonna create a short video here and choose a topic. But for now, I'm gonna retain myself on this one. With one simple prompt, I'm gonna click on enter. Now NVIDIA is gonna analyze my text, a dog walking in the park, and it's gonna create a video out of it. I'll get back to you guys once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Before I click on generate right here, I just wanna show you this one. So you can choose generative media or stock media right here. So if you click on generative media, it will cost you a few minutes, and I think this is gonna be for the paid plan. I'm gonna retain and gonna go to stock media, and you can choose duration, audiences, and platform. I'm gonna retain it as it is and click on continue. Now, it will notify me when it's ready, and I will tell you once it's here. I'll get back to you, okay? So welcome back to the video, and this is gonna be it. So before I play it, I just wanna let you know on how the things work here. So you can edit the video, you can download directly or export it. Currently viewing in 24 pixels, but you can export in HD. If you're not satisfied with the results right here, you can basically regenerate by clicking this icons right there. So I'll just play it right here, and let's try and watching it.
Hey there, fellow dog lovers. Picture this: bright sun, cool breeze, and I'm out in the park with my best furry buddy. There's something about the simple joy of a dog walk that just makes my whole day brighter. You know that excited tail?
Pretty awesome, right? And the settings right there, you can choose the quality. Anyway, I'm satisfied with this one. I'm gonna click here and download right there, and basically have it on my phone. Pretty easy. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.